Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're beginning the pairing now. Plug the Unifying Receiver into a known good USB port and install Logitech Unifying software or Logitech options, plus so the PC recognizes the protocol. Make sure the keyboard is powered on and batteries are fresh. Remove any shipping tab because the device won't transmit until powered. Once done, know why. The software provides the pairing handshake, and the receiver must be active on the USB bus. Now move directly to the pairing routine inside the app. Open the Unifying app and pick Add Devices. The software begins scanning for compatible peripherals. When prompted, press the keyboard's Connect or Pairing button. If it lacks one, toggle Power Off then on to trigger Discovery, because this sends the pairing beacon the receiver listens for. Watch the app. It will detect keystrokes or show the device name. Once the app shows the keyboard, click Confirm. This links the keyboard's radio ID to the Unifying Receiver, so they communicate reliably. Finish by testing the keyboard in a text field and verifying special keys. This proves the link is active. Then open Logitech Options Plus to set preferences, check battery level, and install any firmware updates. Updates often resolve intermittent disconnects. If everything responds, you're done. If not, try one key troubleshooting tip. Swap to a different USB port and replace batteries, then rerun the Add Devices flow. That simple retry fixes most radio or power-related pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.